Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Redmagic 9S Pro and I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search games as Mobile Legends games and we can download it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings. I need family and parental control, which is on right now, and we have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to our parental control, and now we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow unincluded underrated, configure, got it and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.